Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 7.2. This is question number first of exercise 7.2, and in this find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So we have to find out the cube root of the given numbers using prime factorization method. For solving the questions of exercise 7.2, first of all, we have to understand about the cube root, student. This sign denotes cube root of. It means cube root of x. Clear, student? And if we write here this one, it means cube root of 8. It is cube root of 8. So we have to write like this, student. First make 3 here and this one root. So this one is called cube root of x, cube root of 8. So in these questions we have to find out the cube root of 64 first. So first part, that is 64, and we have to find out the cube root of 64, student. So first of all, we have to find the prime factors of 64. After that, we will choose or group the factors in triplets, or we will make the factors in group of 3. And after that, we have to choose one factor from each group. Clear, student? So this one, first of all, we have to find the prime factors of 64. Now this one, 64 is divisible by 2. So by dividing it by 2, it will be 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, it is 2 1 ja 2, 1 is remainder here and the number will be 12. So 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, it is 8, and dividing by 2 it is 4, and after dividing 4 by 2 it is 2, and 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Now these are the prime factors of 64, student. Clear? So 64 is equal to prime factors of 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2, student. So we have to make group of factors, same type of factors. We have to make group of same type of factors. This one first group are triplet, this one second group of 3. Clear, student? So there are 2 groups. Now we have to find out the cube root of this 64. So this one cube root of 64, it means we have to find the cube root of their factor, the factor of this number. This one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This one is, student. And now from each group of 3, we have to choose one number. Clear, student? From each triplet, we have to choose one factor, that is 2 from this group, and from this group, this one 2. So 2 into 2, it is 4. So cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Now we have to solve the next part, that is third part, student, and this one third part of this question number first, that is 10,648. 10,648. Now we have to find out the cube root of this number, student. Means cube root of 10,648. So first of all, we have to find the prime factors of 10,648. So this one 10,648, and find the factors. So unit digit is 8 here, so this number is divisible by 2 student. So after dividing it to 2 5 ja 10, 5 here, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. In the next step again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 is left here, so number is 13, so 2 6 ja 12, 1 is left again and this one 12, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, this one 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, again 2 3 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2. This number is 1331. Clear friend? Now we have to divide it, this 314 and 314, 448, this is not a multiple of 3, so we have to use the next number, that is 5 student. So this number will not be divided by 5 because unit digit is 1. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the number will be divided by 5. So we have to take the next number and that is 7. So this number is also not divisible by 7. So we have to take the next prime number, that is 11. Clear student? Now by 11 it is 11 1 ja 11, 2 23, 11 2 ja 22. So left here 1 and 1, 11, 11 1 ja 11. Again by 11 it is 11 1 ja 11, 1 is left here, so it is 11, 11 1 ja 11 and again by 11 it is 1. So prime factors of 10,648 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Now we have to write the prime factor of this number. So this 10,648 is equal to prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Clear friends? Now we have to find the cube root of this number. So we have to write this like this: cube root of 10,648 is equal to cube root of this one, cube root of its factors, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Now we have to make the triplets, or we have to make a group of 3 of the same type of factors. So this one first group of 3 and this one second group of 3. From each group we have to choose one number or one factor. This one 2 into this one 11 and this is 11 2 ja 22. So cube root of 10,648 is 22 student. Now we have to do the fifth part of this question student, that is 15,625. We have to find out the cube root of 15,625. So this fifth part 15,625. Now we have to find out the cube root of 15,625. So find the prime factors of this number first student. This one 15,625. This number is 5 to 7, 7 6 13, 13 5 18 1 19. 19 is not a factor of or multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2 because unit digit of this number is an odd number. So we have to use here 5. Clear student? Next prime number. So 5 3 ja 15, this one 6, 5 1 ja 5, 1 is left here 12, so 5 2 ja 10, remainder 2 25, 5 5 ja 25. Again divided by 5, 5 6 ja 30, this one 1 and 2 12, 5 2 ja 10, this 2 and 5, 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5, this one 5 1 ja 5, this one 1 here and 2 12, 5 2 ja 10, remainder 2, 2 and 5 that is 25, so 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5, this one 5 2 ja 10 and 2 is remain here, so it is 25, 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5, it is 5 5 ja 25 and this one 5 1 ja 5. Now we have to write the prime factors of 15,625. So 15,625 is equal to prime factors 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 6 times 5 here, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have to find out the cube root of 15,625. This one 15,000. Now we have to find out the cube root of 15,625. Then we have to write the cube root of the factors. So this one 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we have to make the group of 3 of the same factors, same type of factors. This one first triplet and this one second triplet. From each we have to find one number, one factor, that is 5, and from this group this one 5. So 5 5 ja 25. So cube root of 15,625 is equal to 25. This one is answer, student. Now we have to do this 9th part of the question, student. Clear? So this one 1,75,616 this number, and we have to find out the cube root of this number. So first of all we have to find the prime factors of this number, student. This one 175,616, and now divided by 2 because unit digit of this number is 6. That is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So after dividing it to 2 8 ja 16, 1 left 15, 2 7 ja 14, 1 left 16, 2 8 ja 16, and here, student, 1 is not divisible by 2, so we have to take here 0, and after that we have to take this number 16, 2 8 ja 16. Now again by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 1 is left here, that is 18, 2 9 ja 18, and this one 0, and 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2, this one 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 1 is left here 19, and 2 9 ja 18, and this one 1 and 0 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. This number is 21952. Again by 2, it is 2 1 ja 2. Now this one is not divisible by 2, so we have to take here 0, and this number will be 19 now. So 2 9 ja 18, and 1 is left here, 2 7 ja 14, 1 is left, and 12, 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, it will be 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, and 1 is left, that is 17. So 2 8 ja 16, 1 is left, and 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, this one will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8. Divide it again by 2. This one will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 is left 7, this one 14, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, this one will be 2 6 ja 12 and this one 17, 2 8 ja 16, 1 12, 2 6 ja 12. Now this is, take this number here 6 8 6 and again divide it by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja and 2 3 ja. This number is 343 student now, and this number is not divisible by 2. So we have to take the next prime number, that is 7. So 7 4 ja 28, 6 is left here, 6 and 3 63, so 7 9 ja 63. Again by 7, 7 ja 49, again by 7 it is 1. Now we have to write the prime factors of this number student, and this one 1 7 5 6 1 6 is equal to 2 9 times and 7 3 times student, and it will be 2 into 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 7 into 7 into 7. In the next step, we have to find the cube root of 1 7 5 6 1 6. That is cube root of 2 into 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 7 into 7 into 7. Now from each group we have to choose one number. This one, from this group 2, from this group again 2, and from this group 2, and from this 7. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8 into 7, 8 7 ja 56. Clear friend? So cube root of this number 1,75,616 is equal to 56. This is the answer of this part of the question student, and remaining part of this you have to do yourself student. This is question number 3 student, and in this question you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Guess the cube roots of 4913, 12,167 and 32,768. So students, in this question it is given that a number that is 1331 and it is a perfect cube number. So without calculation we have to guess what is the cube root of this number. Clear student? We need not to factorize this number. We have to estimate, or we have to guess what will be the cube root of this number. Clear? And there are some more numbers given, and we have to find out the cube root of the given numbers using estimation method. We have to estimate here student. We have to guess what will be the cube root of the given numbers. Clear student? So first of all, before solving this question, we have to understand about the sum rules of cube numbers. So first of all, we will write the cube root of first 10 perfect cube numbers. So student, this one, cube root of 1 is equal to 1. Cube root of 8, second perfect cube number is 8 student. So cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Cube root of 27, this one is 1 student, so cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is equal to 2, cube root of 27 it is 3 student, and cube root of 64 it is 4, cube root of 125 it is 5, cube root of 216 is equal to 6, cube root of 343 is equal to 7, cube root of 512, this one cube root of 512 is equal to 8, cube root of 729 is equal to 9, and cube root of 1000 is equal to 10. Clear student? We have written here the perfect cube numbers from 1 to 1000. Clear student? So, the cube root of these perfect cubes are 1, cube root of this 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of 125 is 5, cube root of 216 is 6, cube root of 343 is 7, and so on, student. Clear? From this table we have concluded, student, if unit digit of the number in the cube numbers is 1, then unit digit in its cube root will be 1. If unit digit of cube number is 8, then cube root's unit digit will be 2. If cube number's unit digit is 7, then cube root's unit digit will be 3, student. So, from this table we concluded it. So, conclusion is that if unit digit of a cube number is 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, then unit digit of its cube root will be same number. Same number means, student, if unit digit in the cube is 1, then unit digit in cube root will also be 1, same number. If unit digit, this one is 4, so in cube roots the unit digit will also be 4. If the number in cube number unit digit is 5, then its cube root end with 5. Our unit digit of the cube root will be 5. If unit digit is 6, then cube root's unit digit will also be 6. If unit digit of the cube number is 9, then in its cube root the unit digit will be 9. That will be the same number. This one is the first rule, student. And second rule, if unit digit is 2 in cube number, then in its cube root it will be 8. And if unit digit is 3, then its cube root end with 7. If unit digit is 7, then its cube root will end with 3. If unit digit of the cube number is 8, then its cube root's digit will be, unit digit will be 2. Clear, student? This is the important fact, important formula. So, you have to learn it. Students, You have to learn this to find out the cube root of any number by estimation method. From this observation, we have to solve the questions given in the question number 3rd. So, first part of question number 3rd is 1331 is a perfect cube. We have to guess or we have to estimate the cube root of this number without factorization. So, this number is 1331. Clear, student? So, first of all, we have to make the group of 3 from rightmost to left, from right to left or from unit digit. This one 1, 3, 3, 1. So, we have to make this first pair from 1 to this 1, 2, 3. First pair of 3. Clear, student? And this number is second pair because there is only one number. So, there are two groups. Clear, student? From this group, we have to observe what is the unit digit of this number. So, unit digit of this number is 1. So, its cube root, this number is a perfect cube number, student. Remember it. So, we have to find out the cube root of this number by estimation method. So, we have to estimate if the unit digit of this number is 1, then in its cube root's unit digit end with 1. Clear, student? So, unit digit will be 1 here from this number. Now, we have to observe the second group, this one, student. This one is 1 here, student. So, this is the cube of 1. So, it will be 1 here, student. And in the next question, we will discuss about this number, second group. In this, only one number is given here and it is 1. So, it is the cube of 1 or its cube root will also be 1. So, this number is 11, student. So, cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. We have not factorized this number. We have guessed here. With the given observations, we guess here the unit digit number is 1. Here from first group, unit digit number is 1. So, unit digit in its cube root will also be 1. And in the second group, it is 1. So, 1 is cube of 1. So, we have to take here 1. The cube root of 1 will be 1. Clear, student? So, this one will be 1. So, this number is 1 and 1, that is 11. So, cube root of 1331 is 11. Now, we have to solve the second part of this question, student. The second number is 4913. 4913. We have to find the cube root of this number, student. Cube root of 4913. But we have to estimate it. We have to guess what will be the cube root of this number. So, student, make the group of 3 first from rightmost to left, that is 4913. So, this one is the first group and this one second group. From first group, the unit digit number is 3 here, student. If unit digit number is 3 in the cube number, then its cube root number, so unit digit will end with 7, student. If unit digit is 3 in cube number, then in cube roots number unit digit will be 7 here, student. So, it will be 7. Clear, student? Now, this one 4. We have to observe this number from the second group, student. So, second group, this number 4 is greater than the cube of 1. It is greater than the cube of 1 and less than the cube of 2. Clear, student? 4 is, this number 4 is greater than the cube of 1. 1 के क्यूब से ये नंबर बड़ा है स्टूडेंट और 2 के क्यूब से छोटा है. What is the cube of 2? That is 8 student. 8 से छोटा है. So in this case we have to take the previous number, this one first. Clear? So we have to take this number 1. So in this it will be 1. Student, this 4 is less than the cube of 2. So we have to take the previous number of 2. 2 की प्रीवियस नंबर कौन से स्टूडेंट? 1. और 1 का क्यूब कितना है? 1 है. 4 से लेस है, इसलिए हमको 1 को चूज करना है, छोटे नंबर को इसमें चूज करना है. सो इट इज 1 हियर. सो नंबर इज 17 हियर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4913 is equal to 17. This is estimation method, student. Now we have to solve the next part. This one, last part, student. This part you have to do yourself. We will solve this next part, student. Now take this number, student. This one, last part or fourth part of question number 3rd, that is 32,768. Clear, student? And now we have to find out the cube root of this number by estimation method, or we have to guess what will be the cube root of this number. Clear? So in first step we have to make the group of 3 from right to left. This one first group, this one second group, student. And we have to observe the first group, unit digit number of first group. Clear, student? So unit digit number is 8 here, student. If in cube the unit digit is 8, then in cube roots the unit digit will be 2, student. If this one 8, cube of the number ends with 8, the cube root will end with 2. So unit digit in its cube root will be 2 here, student. First one. And from second group, now we have to observe this 32. 32 is greater than the cube of 3. Student, this 32 is greater than the cube of 3 and less than the cube of 4. Means this 32 is in between the cube of 3 and cube of 4. ये 32 3 और 4 के क्यूब के बीच में है. So we have to choose the smaller number, that is 3. So from this we have to take 3 and this one number is 32. Clear, student? The number is 32. So cube root of this one 32,768 is equal to 32.